What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Dr. Slone from Fortnite Season 7. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the outside of the glasses. So we start on the top left. Just going to work our way around the left side. Come down and in towards the middle. And we'll work our way along the inside. Going up towards the top. And then just rounding this out. Now I'm going to leave a small gap in between the glasses and draw the same thing on the right. So just line up the top, come in, bend this out, go around the outside, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now we want to trace each circle on the inside, starting from the top left. Just try to leave an even space gap all the way around towards the bottom, and then along the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw two small circles for the pupils towards the inside of the glasses. So let's start on the left side, go up, round this out, and then pull that back in. Let's line this up on the right, going up, around, and then back in. And then we'll add a small highlight on the top left side. Start with a circle, and line this up on the right. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to draw the outside edge of the eyes. Start from the very top, curve this out, and then down towards the side. Curve this down and then in towards the bottom of the eyes. Let's go back up to the top and add the eyelash, curving out and up. Now from here, I'm just going to taper this in, up, and then across towards the top of the eye. Let's fill in the lashes. Let's move to the center and connect the glasses. Starting on the left, curve up, then down, step up, and draw that twice. Now we're going to move down and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down, and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Let's go back down and draw the mouth. Starting back on the left, curve the mouth going down and then up on the right. And now we're going to draw on the upper lip. In the center, let's step up, start with a point, angle up and out towards the left and right. And then from the top, curve this down and out towards the corners of the mouth. Let's add the lower lip. Starting on the left, curve this down and back up. Let's add in the outside arm of the glasses. Starting on the left, we're going to draw two lines. One along the top, one along the bottom, close off the end. And then we'll line this up on the right side. Now with the glasses in place, let's move down and draw the lower half of the head. We'll start underneath on the left side, curve this down, underneath the mouth, and pull it back up on the right. Now we're going to move back up and add those thick dreads along the top of the head. Let's start on the right side, just up here, curve this down and across towards the left, bend this out and back up towards the top. Let's add some layers underneath. From the tip, we'll step up, curve this down and out toward the left, go to the right, curve out, and then down. Let's add that hair texture just above the glasses. We'll step out, go up, and then that in, go out, curve out, and in. Let's go over towards the right side, go out, and bend that back in. Now we're going to move out to the side and layer those dreads going all the way up towards the top of the head. Let's start underneath the glasses on the left, curl this down and then out, and do the same thing on the right. And then from the tip, curl this up and in. Let's add another layer. We're going to step down, curl this down and then out. From the end, curl this up and bend that in toward the side. Now we want to continue this pattern going up towards the top of the head. Let's start back on the left, curl out and then up. Curl this up and bend that down on the inside. Let's add another layer. Curling out and up. I'm going to start to bring this in towards the center of the head. Start back on the left. Come in and then bend that down. Now from the left side, we're going to step in. Just going to curl this up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add another point on the left side. Starting up here, go out and up, come across, and then bend that down. Let's add one more in between this gap. Starting on the left, go up and out, pulls down, and then in behind. Now that we've drawn the head, let's move to the center and add the collar. Leaving a gap in the middle, let's go to the left side, angle down and out toward the left, and then the right, and then from here, angle up and out underneath the head. Let's go to the inside of the collar, draw two straight angle lines coming in, and then we'll close off the bottom of the knot. Let's add in the first tie. From the bottom corners, angle down and out on either side, and we'll pull that back down and in towards the middle. Let's add a circle along the bottom of the tie. Now we'll layer the second tie underneath. From that outside corner, step in, angle down and out, and we'll pull that back down and in towards the middle. Now we're going to add a polka dot pattern underneath the bottom tie. So starting on the left, just draw a series of small circles going across, step down, just go in between, add one along the bottom, and then one more along the top. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the side of the body. On the left side of the collar, curl the body going out, and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right, curl out, and then down. Now I want to connect the hips with a curve, coming down and in underneath the tie on both sides. Let's draw two short lines coming down from the hips, and again following that same curve coming in towards the side of the tie. Now our character is going to have her hands inside the pockets, so let's bulge out the side. Starting on the left, curve out, and then bend that back in. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the side of the arm coming down towards the sleeve. We'll start from the top of the collar, curl the arm going out, and then down, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. I'm going to curve the sleeve coming down and in towards the side of the body. Curve down, and then in. From the outside corner of the sleeve, let's step in, draw a short angle line coming down and out, and we'll tuck the arm in underneath the pocket. So we're just going to curl this down and then in. Let's go back up to the top of the pocket, draw the edge of the forearm, curving up and then out on both sides. And then going back to the same point, curve this out and then down for the sleeve. And then line up the bottom of the pocket, move to the center and add a curve. From left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, angle down and out toward the left, Move over towards right, angle down, and out. Let's round out the bottom of the pant. Starting on the left side, go across, and then bend that up. Now we're going to connect the bottom of the wrist to the outside of the pant with a straight angled line. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the pant. On the inside, I'm going to step out, angle down and out towards the heel, and do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up. And then from the outside, we're going to draw on the top of the foot. I'm going to curve this up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then from the outside corner of the pant, we'll step in, draw a straight angle line coming down on top of the foot. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across towards the heel. And then we'll add in the toe cap, starting on the top of the foot, curve this in and then down towards the sole. And then finally, we're going to add the edge of the boot along the top. We're going to step down, go down, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Dr. Slone from Fortnite Season 7. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.